As you can see, we use a custom HSV color detection algorithm to mask the background noise in our video stream. Then we can map hand gestures using a K nearest neighbor algorithm customly made. As you can see in the video, we do a peace sign and then we do a thumbs up. And when we look at the output, it should match the same. So there you go, all the way at the bottom, peace sign, thumbs up.
All right, here we have our Granny's plate dispenser. So whenever Granny comes over, people are coming to go over to Granny's house, and Granny can't set the plates by herself. The relatives load the plates in before they come in, after the previous outing at Granny's. And then Granny does a hand gesture in front of the webcam, like a thumbs up, and then the robot's gonna drive and lay all the plates down. And then once everyone's done eating, these brushes are gonna sweep all the dishes onto the floor so that another robot can clean it up. And then next time, the family's supposed to clean up the dishes and put it back on the rack, so Granny can just do another thumbs up and put the dishes down. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Working right now too, which is awkward. Okay, I figured it out. There you go. Thumbs up. Signal sent. Oh, it gave me an error. Too late, already took. I gotta get this configuration perfect.
Oh yeah, I should be recording this.
Wait, I'm gonna. Hold on.
It'll just when the time gets that set. I'll tell you if we switch states from idle.
This is funny.
Is it final? Oh wait, is it going already?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, now show us what's up.
Okay, ready? Let me get the thumbs up. Okay, I sent you thumbs up.
Oh yeah,
You got it.
Oh! Yes!
What's next? You did it.